Hey guys, welcome back to See My Review, your go-to channel for the latest unboxings and honest product reviews. Today we have something special for all the sneakerheads out there, the Air Jordan 3 Retro Black Cat. These kicks are sleek, stylish, and packed with history. Let's dive right in and see what's inside the box. Right out of the box, you can see that these are an absolute masterpiece. That all-black premium nubuck, the signature elephant print detailing, and even the laces. Everything about these shoes screams stealth and style. The Black Cat persona truly comes to life in this design, and trust me, these are going to turn heads. Now let's talk about why these Jordans are more than just a fashion statement. First off, the comfort level is next level. The visible air unit in the sole ensures a smooth ride, while the premium materials provide durability and support. Whether you're hitting the court or just stepping out in style, these sneakers are built for performance and everyday wear. The patent leather accents and black and chrome branding add just the right amount of contrast, giving these sneakers a clean yet bold look. Plus, the elephant print overlays make sure you're rocking that classic Jordan aesthetic. Whether you're a collector or just someone who appreciates a great pair of sneakers, the Black Cat 3s are a must-have. Now I know a lot of you are wondering, where can I get these? Well, I've got some great news for you. There's an amazing sale going on right now, and you can grab your very own pair of Jordan 3 Retro Black Cat at a great discount. The website I'm linking in the description has some fantastic deals, so don't miss out. It's super easy to order. Just head to the website, find your size, add to cart, and check out. They offer secure payment options and fast delivery, so you'll have your Jordans in no time. All the details, including the website link, social media pages, and contact info, are in the video description below. Make sure to check it out. So there you have it, the Air Jordan 3 Retro Black Cat in all its glory. What do you guys think? Drop a comment below and let me know if you're planning to cop these or if you already own a pair. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to See My Review, and turn on notifications so you never miss an unboxing. Remember, the sale won't last forever, so check out the link in the description and grab your pair before they're gone. Also, follow me on social media for more updates and exclusive sneaker deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.